Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the superflip pattern on a 5x5 cube. Now a superflip is where all of the edges pieces are flipped, so see that, for example, this green white, if it was flipped it would fit in perfectly, and that's the same with every single edge piece. And basically I'm just going to be showing you how to do that but on the 5x5. So the 5x5 superflip is done similarly to 3x3, which, if you don't know already, is just M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime. Then it's a Y rotation, which is like as if you're doing a U move, but you're moving the whole cube. And then it's the same thing with, then you've got a Z prime, which is the same thing, but like an F prime, so like that. And then the same thing again. So 4 of those. Y prime, Z prime, and then remember you're doing M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime. And you can see, even though it doesn't look as cool as a 5x5, it's flipped every edge, and we're going to be doing a similar thing for the 5x5. Let me just undo this 5x5 real quick. Alright, so with the 5x5 you're going to do a similar thing, but you're going to start it off with, when you do the M moves, you're going to move the 3 layers like that. And when you do the U moves, you're just doing just the one top layer, alright? So sorry, I'll put that better in camera. Like that, and then like that. So we'll start off as usual. You might want to do your M moves like down, down, there, and then like that, just so it's easier. And then Y, Z prime. Y, Z prime. Now we got the regular superflip, which is literally the same as the 3x3, but the only difference is it's obviously it's got 3 layers on each edge and 9 in the center. I think it still looks cooler than the 3x3. But now for the actual next bit, which is different, we're going to be doing the same thing but moving the centers around. So this time when we do our M moves, they're going to be just a one middle slice, and we're going to do U moves with just the top 2 layers. So like that. So M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime, M, U prime. It might start to look a bit scrambled, but it's not. And then Y prime, Z prime. Hopefully this center should be alright, otherwise I think you've done it wrong. But yeah, same algorithm. And Y, Z prime. Now you've done the superflip. So as you can see, not only are all these edge pieces flipped, but if you think of these 2 pieces and the edge piece, they've been flipped. Basically everything's been flipped in a way, and it just looks really cool. It looks basically the bigger cube you go, the cooler this pattern looks, because you've got more pieces and it's kind of like each side is spreading onto the other side, and it's like every side is overlapping, which is kind of cool. And obviously I think most people can agree that this looks far cooler than this. So most people would choose to do this because it is better. So yeah, that's how you do the superflip. It looked pretty cool on a stand, but just so if you want to know how to undo it, it's literally the same thing but in reverse. So you start off with what you finished with, so like that. And rotation. Soon the Y and the Z prime rotation will start to kind of feel like one. So just like that. And now you can see we've restored all the centers, and we can just do it like this. Alright, so yeah, that is the super flip on the 5x5. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, then please leave a like on the video. I'm also going to be doing a cube in a cube in a cube in a cube video for pattern for the 5x5, which should be interesting, and that will be coming out very shortly after this one, I hope, but we'll have to see how it goes. But yeah, for now, that's the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one.